Chief Electoral Officer BDR Tiwari hakasngi baar layathu banakadao baladon kajingkyu kibaya simpenta hakasilong Lok Sabha election katanat kalale bon kikam kibakan Thep ya kajing penkhoj patwat ya ki musical show kiban kring ya kajing simpenta kinang Thep vote ya kineu layathu balale nadu ba kajing don ke percentage hasilong parliamentary seat kanne kabarit neduna kibaya simpenta ulaong ba kajing stang penpo ya ki EVM kan stang hakine kisngi nadu mentah.
We work out the turnout implementation plan, keeping the low voting turnout polling stations, ACs and districts. So traditionally you see the Silang parliamentary constituency has slightly lesser voting percentage in compared to Tura, and we have traditionally less voting in compared to legislative assembly. So we have worked out a very integrated turnout implementation plan for polling stations wise, AC wise, district wise, and we found the community involvement is the key to overcome this challenge. So our sweep strategy has been planned up to the grassroots level surrounding the polling stations. So for the community involvement to counter the youth apathy. Now football is the most popular game and lot of sweep activities has been planned through the football. So our CEO office and district election officers are coming up, reaching to the different football clubs, youths, and taking youth and democracy together through football. Moreover, the community announcement system is called Usongot or Duldok in the Khasi Hill, Duldoka in the Garo Hill. We are engaging these community practices, announcement, etc. So, and appeal to the local communities, darbars, and involving youth and different social organizations. So, we are very sure and confident this voting percentage will increase in coming Lok Sabha elections. So all the sweep strategy up to the ground level we already has worked out. So music, football game, the community participation, and moreover like very larger scale as these elections are being taken as the green election and clean election. So for the cleanliness, as there is a very well-known community practice of the cleaning drive in the different area. So pre-poll cleaning drive also we are taking up in the all polling stations. So at a time and post-poll also, because the cleanliness message of state of Meghalaya should pass on through these elections also. And similarly, in each and every polling station, we are going to plant 2 saplings by the first male and first female voter. So all needful arrangements are also being made. So we are just very much focused and dedicated. We sensitize all our teams for reducing the use of plastic as much as possible, use reusable and multiple time usable carry bags, etc. So single use plastic are being maximum scale we are avoiding. Even so garbage collection, its disposal, and all other aspects related to the clean elections are also being taken up and being ensured. Commissioning of EVM as per schedule will start by after tomorrow, so it will be also completed very soon. And moreover, all the assured minimum facilities arranged at each and every polling, being arranged at each and every polling station, and wherever it is any gap is there, so temporary arrangement will be ensured before the poll. So for the P2, polling parties will start from 17th, and in P-1 polling station it will go on the 18th, and all the needful arrangement for the polling parties, conveyance, all facilitation at the polling stations is already been being arranged. The home voting is ongoing in the all the districts. Whoever applied through Form 12D, uh, whoever are 85 year plus and the PWDs. So all preparation in all aspects are going well. Training is being conducted, and last round of training will also be held very soon. So all kind of preparation are